All right, I'm here to explain your Pear deck. So this is the very first page. I just printed it because I want to read it and show you what you're going to be doing. So it says, on the next 8 slides, you'll be using these shapes that are marked with dotted angle corners to show congruent angle measures. Congruent means equal. Right angle corners, they're marked with right angle corners, and small lines to show congruent or equal side length to answer the questions on each side. So let me show you what it means. So like say triangle A, notice each one of these sides has one little small line on it. That means they're all the same size. So this size, this size, this side, they're all the same. And the angles all have one little line. That means that these are the same size. So this triangle has all equal sides and all the angles are the same. So like in B, this one's different. Ah, my screen went black. There we go. In B, notice this top one has 2 lines, this bottom one has 2 lines. That means this top line and this bottom line are the same length, but this side line has 1 and this one has 1. That means these two are the same length. So this line and this line are the same because they have 1 line, and the top line and the bottom line are the same because they have 2. And the angles are different though too. So look at the angles. This one has 1 line, so this angle and this angle are the same size. And what do you notice about these ones? They both have 2 lines. That means this angle and this angle are exactly the same size. So that the opposite. So these angles are the same. These angles are the same. The top and bottom are the same length, and the sides are the same length. So like C here, they all have 1 line, so all those sides are equal, and the angles are all the same. Same thing for D, we have right angles, they're all the same, and equal side lengths. And then E here, right, this angle is the same as this angle, this side is the same as this side. So we're going to use these shapes to answer some of the questions. So it says the small lines on the shapes are marking congruent sides. For example, on shape B, the top and bottom sides have the same length because they're both marked with 2 small lines. Shape F is a regular hexagon because all 6 sides are congruent or the same size. Each side is marked with 1 little mark. And the dotted angle corners are marking congruent angle measures. So in shape E, for example, the angles at the top are marked with 2 rows that showing that they're the same size, and the angles at the bottom are marked with 1 row showing that the bottom numbers angles are the same. So you're going to use that info to help you answer 8 slides. I'm going to do the first slide with you. I have it printed right here. So it says, which shape or shapes appear to have all side lengths congruent? That means all sides equal. So you're just going to circle which one have all sides equal. Well, this one has all sides equal, not that one. Yes, this one, not that one. Yes, this one. Right? How did I know it was not those? Because these ones are marked with 2 and the other ones are not marked at all. Sorry, the doorbell rang. I don't know where I left off. So we circled, how did we know these ones did not have congruent sides? The top one, right, are marked with 2, and these sides are marked with 1, so they're not all the same. And this one, I know these 2 are the same, but these ones are visibly not the same size. So A, C, D, and F are the shapes that appear to have all side lengths congruent. So that's the first slide. I just did it with you here on paper. So you will be working on Pear deck, and you'll be going in with a little marker tool and circling or coloring in the ones that match whatever the question is asking for. Okay? Please let me or Mr. Johnson know if you have any questions. Good luck.